Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be cooking these plantains, carrots and the chicken. So here I have some unripe plantains, I have my carrots and I have my chicken. And I'll start by cooking or steaming this chicken. After which we'll now wash the plantains and carrots, peel off the skin and cut them. Let's get started. I'll start by cooking the chicken first. So I've washed the chicken. I've just added the washed chicken into the pot, some onions, and here I'll season it with curry, chicken powder, garlic and ginger powder, one seasoning cube. Ooh, this seasoning cube can be strong. Little salt. I'll add a little water to cook at once. So it will not burn. Cover and allow it to cook. Till it will now cut. I like to cut this way. So I'll set this aside and do same with the carrots. I'll clean the carrots. I'll peel off the skin of the carrot. I'm done cutting the carrots. I also have some tomatoes here which I'm going to cut. So I've cut the tomatoes and also some onions. And finally, I have some crayfish here which I will wash and pound with pepper. So after that, we continue or we start the main cooking. I start by adding some oil into it. Then add my plantains. Some salt, two seasoning cubes, water to cover it, and then cover and let it cook. It's now time to add our carrots. This is scent leaf. Very delicious. So yummy. And here we have our one pot chicken, plantain, and the carrot recipe. It was so delicious. This is so yummy and very good for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I hope you'll be giving this a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like our video, share our video, and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.